Just a little video of Jessica feeding her baby sister.
Is that yummy?
Very good. Good job feeding your sister. Would she get some oatmeal on you? I think Madison would like some more. Time for more oatmeal, please. Sisterly love. Oh, she's got your finger.
She just licked it out.
She did.
Is that yummy?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Maddie. Here, Maddie. More?
Good job, sweetie. Well, that is Jessica feeding Madison, September 2008.
There you go.
Thanks, girls. Signing off. A little close-up of Madison, a little oatmeal face, and Jessica. Hi, Jess. Hi, Jess. Say hi. Jess, look at the camera and say hi. Okay, back to Maddie. Jessica is trying to feed Madison from her finger. Silly, silly, silly. Okay, signing off.